heap sort algorithm. So heap sort, same. So the heap sort is also processes the element by creating the or by considering the unsorted array, right? So by using the heap sort, so we are sorting all the elements, right? So by considering the unsorted array. But here, so when we are processing the heap sort, so we are considering we are creating the minimum heap or maximum heap using the elements of the given array. So what is mean by minimum heap or what is mean by maximum heap? So that we will discuss here. Now first we are considering one root, and by considering that root value, so we are deciding or we are identifying the maximum heap and minimum heap. Now this heap sort, so basically recursively perform two main operations. So first operation is so first we need to build up the heap, so using the element of the array, and after that, so once you have built the heap, so repeatedly, so we are deleting the root element. And so in the first phase, so we'll delete the first root element. In the second phase, so next root element. After in the third phase, so next root element. But whatever the root element you are considering, so that is the maximum size of the element, right? Or maximum value of the this given list. So how it works, so that we will see. So definition of both is given. So heap is a complete binary tree. So have you heard the word binary tree? So in our syllabus, the separate unit is there. So binary tree. So we'll discuss in detail. So binary tree means, I will show you. So binary tree means like this. So this is our root. So this whiteboard is visible to all. Is it
Yes,
visible?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here is at left side. This is the left side, and this is the right side. Right. So this is the level 1, and this is considered as a root. Now, so root, and again, so here the left child, right child, left child, right child. So this is called as a binary tree, right? So tree is represented in this way. So here is the one root element. After that, so left side element you are considering which is lesser than the root element, and greater element you are considering at a right side. Same logic we are using here in the binary tree, right? Now heap is a complete binary tree, and the binary tree is a tree in which the nodes can have at most 2 children, and a complete binary tree in which all the levels except last level, so that is last level means so last element of the tree, so we are calling them as a leaf node also, right? Should be completely filled, and all the nodes should be left justified. You will get the meaning of this heap or binary tree, so when we will go through the examples. And heap sort means, so this heap sort is a popular and efficient sorting algorithm. So concept of the heap sort is to be eliminate the elements one by one from the heap or part of the list and insert them into the sorted part of the list. Now this heap sort is the in-place sorting algorithm. Now let's see so how this heap sort algorithm is working. So by considering the examples or so working of the heap sort algorithm. Now basically, so in this algorithm, so 2 phases is involved. Now, first step is the, now here it is given. First step includes the creation of the heap by adjusting the elements of the array. And in the second step, so after creation of the heap, now remove the root element of the heap, so repeatedly by shifting it to the end of the array, and then store the heap structure with the remaining element. Now, now let's see. So this is the example given to you, right? Now, how many element is there in this list?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 elements are there, right? Now, first step is the, what is the first step? So first step involves the creation of a heap. Now, how to create a heap? So that we will see. So first step, so we have to construct the heap, or we have to create this heap. So by considering this given array, or convert this heap into the max heap, right? Now, what have we? Now, is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can observe the left side. So don't look at the right side, right? So 81. So first element I have considered as a root, right? First element I have considered as a root. So only two childs we are considering to this root. It's at left child and right child. So second element we are considering at left child, and third element we are considering at right child. Right. So 81 I have considered as a root. So is it visible to all? So all of you are giving the attention.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the list given to you, right? Unsorted list. Now here we want to sort this list by using the heap algorithm or heap sorting algorithms. Now first step is the, first we need to construct the heap. So how to construct the heap? So that we are discussing now. So first element we are considering as a root. After that, second element we are placing at left side. Third element we are placing at right side. Now again, so this we will consider as a root. Again, this child is having two subchilds, right? Now again, this two is having two subchild. Now we'll start inserting the value from left to right, right? Now here two are completed. Now fourth element we will add at left side of the this child. After that 14, after that 76, after that 54, and after that 22. Now here the list is ended. So if any more element is there, so we'll add at the right side of the 11. Now after that left side of the 14, right side of the 14. After that left side of the 76, right side of the 76, left side of the 54, right side of the 54. Now again left, right, left, right. So in this way, so we are constructing the heap. In this way, so by considering the given array, so here we are constructing the heap. Now this is called as a first step, or this is the first step in the heap sorting algorithm. Now up to this, all of you understood how to construct the heap. Heap kasa construct केला जातो हे लक्षात आलंय? By considering the given list.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after that, so we are applying the heapify operations, or we are identifying the maximum heap. Maximum heap means, so maximum value will identify. Just you can observe here. So 81 is our root, right? Now who is greater here, 81 or 89?
89.
89.
Now we'll start from the left side. आपण या root पासून सुरुवात करूया. So from the leap onwards we'll check. Now here 11 is greater or 22 is greater?
22.
22.
So greater element we are considering at root, and smaller element we are considering at the child, right? So here, so if 22 is greater than 11, means we'll shift 22 at root and 11 will shift at child plus or lib. So here you can observe. इथं observe करा. 11 काय आलेला आहे? Culture side ला आलेला आहे. So at lib side and 22 will be shifted up. Now after that, so if the 22 is greater than 89,
No.
no. So will remain as it is here. 22 will remain as it is. Now after that, compare 14 with 89. So 14 is smaller than 89. Is it necessary to switch or swap?
No.
Now check 89. So 89 and 81. So who is greater here?
89.
So we need to swap this. So 81 will be shifted to the left side of the child. So here you can observe. And 89 will become as a. Now first we have checked the left side. In the Hippify process. So first we have checked the left side. Now we'll check right side. Now first we'll compare 76 with 9. So who is greater here?
76.
So 76 will shift at a root side. And 9 will shift to this child, right? Now after that, compare 76 with 54. Who is greater here?
76.
Right. So in this way, so we are applying we are identifying the maximum. Now here, now 76 compare with the root element. Who is greater here? 89. Now here we have applied the Hippify process, and after applying the Hippify process, so maximum heap, max heap we got. Right. Now here, so whatever the value of root, so this is the greatest value of the list. म्हणजे इथं आता root ची value काय झालेली आहे? Greatest value. Now after converting the given heap into the max heap, so the array elements are. Now after applying the Hippify process, so this element will be look like this. Now 89, next element is, tell me the next element.
81.
I will hide this list. Now tell me the list of the elements after Hippify process. First element is
89,
second,
81,
81.
third,
81,
76.
fourth,
22,
fifth,
14,
fifth element, 14,
14,
sixth element,
9.
9.
seventh element,
54.
and last element.
11.
So same list is. Now after converting the given heap into the max heap, the array elements are like this. Now up to this, all of you understood. So how we are converting, how we are constructing the heap, and after that how we are converting a simple heap to the max heap.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is called as a first step of the heap element. The first step includes the creation of a heap by adjusting the elements of array. Now what is the second step? After creation of heap, now remove the root element of the heap repeatedly. So by shifting to the end of the array and then store heap structure with the remaining element. Right. Now we'll see how to implement the next step. I hope all of you understood the first step. Now next we have to delete the root element. Now who is the root here in the list?
89.
89 is the root. Now we have to delete the root element 89 from the max heap. Now to delete this node, so we have to swap it with the last node, that is 11. Now after deleting the root element, so we again have to hippify it to convert it into the max heap. हा delete केल्यानंतर कोणाशी swap होतो हा? Now when you delete the first element, so location of that first element will be occupied by the last element. Now to delete this node, So we have to swap it with the last node. So कोणाशी swap करतोय आपण?
11.
Last node. So what is the value of last node here?
11.
11. Now after deleting the 89, so what is the value of root now?
11.
11. So why? So because we have apply-
The root.
root by swapping with last element,
Last name.
right? So this is the second step. Now again, so we again have to heapify it to convert it into the max heap. Again, we need to apply the heapify process. Now, after deletion of this root node, so again we need to apply the heapify process. Now, heap after deleting 89 means after deletion of the root node, so the heap will be look like this. Now, deleted element will be stored at 8 at right side of the sub list. जो डिलीट केलेला एलिमेंट आहे तो कुठल्या साईडला स्टोअर केलेला आहे? लिस्टच्या राईट साइडच्या सब लिस्ट मध्ये स्टोअर केलं. तो आता आपण कन्सिडर करणार आहे का?
No.
No, we are not considering further. So deleted element we are not considering in the further process. Right now 11, 81, 22, 14, 76, 9 and 80. Now apply the heapify process. Identify the max heap. Now 22 is greater than 81. Now here this will remain as it is, but if you compare 81 with 11, so 81 is shifted at root side, right? Now after that, when 11 will come here, so at that time, so this 22 will be compared with 11 and 11 will goes down here and 22 will be considered here. After that 40, now here 76, 9, 8, 54 will remain as it is, right? So after applying the heapify process, so max heap will look like this. हे कसं आलं लक्षात आलं का?
Yes, sir.
Very simple one. Now after swapping the array element 89 with 11, converting the heap into the max heap, the element of the array look like this. After applying the max heap, so the element will look like this. So 81, 22, 76, 11, 14, 9, 54 and 89. Right? So how this array is written here? So by considering these two. Right. Now what is the next step? So after this,
Delete the root element from the max heap.
delete the root element from the max heap. Now, what is the value of root element here?
81.
81. Now, how to delete the 81? Delete करत असताना काय करता तुम्ही?
Swapping it with
Swapping with last day.
Swapping with last.
To delete the root node, so we have to swap it with the last node.
Last
Now,
node.
what is the value of last node here?
54.
54.
54. Last element is the 54. Right, after deleting the root element, we again have to heapify, right? After deleting this root element, so again we need to apply the heapify process. Now heap after deleting the 81. Now 81 delete केल्यानंतर, so heap will look like this. So 54, 22. Apply the heapify process. Now here 76 will be considered at root. आता इथे सगळ्यात मोठा कोणता आहे? Which element is greater here?
76.
So 76 will be shifted here, right? So 76, 22. So this is the max heap. Now, after swapping the array element 81 with 54 and converting the heap into the max heap, the element of the array is like this. 76, 22, 54, 11, 14, and 9. Now, what is the next step?
Delete the root element.
Now, in the next step, we have to delete the root element 76 from the max heap again. And to delete this node, so we have to swap it with the last node, that is 9, right? Now, after deleting the root element, we again have to happify it to convert into the max heap. So the same procedure we will apply here. Now, after this max heap, so again after applying or after swapping the array element 76 with 9 and converting the heap into the max heap, the element of the array is 54, 22, 9, 11, 14. And these are the sorted sublist 76, 81, and 18. Now next, so which root element you need to delete?
54.
54. The same steps we will apply here. Just you can look, observe here. 54 नंतर कुठले आहे? 54 कोणाशी रिप्लेस केलेला आहे इथं? 54 14, right? Now after that, next greatest root element काय असेल after 54?
22.
22, right? Now 22 is replaced with whom?
11.
11.
11, right? Now in this way, so we are coming closer, or we will finish the sorting of the algorithm. And last element is remaining, that is 9. Apply the heap by. This is the max heap, and we'll delete after swapping the array element and the element of the array. Now heap has only one element left. After deleting it, heap will become empty. 9 ला डिलीट केल्यानंतर एलिमेंट आहे का यामध्ये?
No, sir.
So heap will become empty. Now once heap will become empty, it means that all the elements are in a sorted order, right? After completion of sorting, the array element will look like this. This is called as a heap sort. Concept of the heap sort, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it interesting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or these concepts are difficult? Is it complicated or is it interesting?
Interesting.
Interesting concept.
Okay. But the thing is, so you need to understand all the logic. So what is mean by heap sort, or what is mean by insertion sort, what is mean by selection sort, what is mean by merge sort, quick sort, right? After that, cell sort we have discussed. All these algorithms we have discussed. So you need to do the revision of all these algorithms once again, right? And first bubble sort already we have implemented also. The rest of the algorithms, so we will implement when we will get a time, right? Now up to this, is there any questions? Now heap sort complexity is given here, right? So you can refer this complexity. So already I have written here. Now the last sorting algorithm is remaining of unit number 1. So that is for of sorting algorithm, that is radix sort. Now this algorithm is everyone is using it in your daily life. Or we have seen one example of dictionary or example of telephone directory. So this telephone directory or what is another example? Dictionary we discussed, right? So these are sorted by using the radix sort. Now this radix sort processes the element. So by considering their name, so we'll take example of a student list. So how to sort the student list? Suppose I have a list of students. So how to sort the student list by considering the alphabets? माझ्याकडे स्टुडंटची लिस्ट आहे आणि मला ती सॉर्ट आउट करायची by considering the alphabet. So how you are sorting this list, or how you will sort the list? What kind of technique you will use? माझ्याकडे स्टुडंटची एक लिस्ट आहे. ती लिस्ट मला अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर नुसार सॉर्ट आउट करायची. तर ती कशी सॉर्ट आउट करणार किंवा काही टेक्निक वापरणार तुम्ही? Yes. And the list is in the form of first name and last name. Suppose I have two persons with same names, Amol. After that, we'll consider Ajit. So how to give the sequence to them? So same name असेल तर कुठल्याला पहिला sequence आणि कुठल्याला दुसरा sequence देणार?
By comparing second letter of those, if the first letter is same.
Yes, very good. If first letter is same, means we are considering the second letter. After that, if second letter is also same, so you are considering third one, fourth one, fifth one, up to sixth same, whatever it may be. And if all letters are same, so we are keeping as it is. At least one letter different असणार आहे त्यामध्ये, right? So here the same logic we are using in a radix sort. So radix sort processes the element the same way in which the name of the students are sorted according to their alphabetical order. So how many alphabets are there? How many alphabets are there? A to Z means.
26.
26.
So can I say 26 radix?
Yes.
Yes. There are 26 radix. So in that case, so due to the fact that there are 26 alphabet in English, right? So in the first pass, so the names are grouped according to ascending order of the first letter of the names. In second phase, the names are grouped according to the ascending order of the second letter, right? And the same process continues until we find the sorted list of the names. And the buckets are used to store the names produced in each pass. Bucket means, so here we'll use the array, right? So the number of passes depends upon the length of the name with maximum letters. So number of passes is totally depends on size of your string or length of your names. Now, this is about the character. Now, in case of number, so in case of integer, so how to apply this radix sort? So number in case of digits, so left side bit and most side bit we are comparing, right? So here, so we are comparing the digits from left to right, right? Now we'll take example. So time complexity is given here, right? Now we'll discuss the example radix. Now consider the array of length 6 given below and sort the array by using the radix sort. Now how to sort the array by using the radix sort? Is it visible? Example is
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Okay. Now, the first, this is the array is given to you. Now you want to sort, or you need to sort. How to apply the sorting algorithms, radix sort algorithms on the same array? So first zero place you need to identify. Now sort the list according to the digit at zeroth place. Zeroth place कोणत्या साइडला आहे? This side is the from this right to the left we are considering. So always we are considering right to the left. Right to the left we are considering. Means for example, 4-digit value. Right. Now we are comparing from the right to the left. Now compare. Consider the zeroth digit, zeroth place. Now by considering the zeroth place, so you will get the list like this. Zeroth place means, so this one you can consider. Now by considering this place, so here, so this list is in the shorthand order. So 0, 10, after that 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. Now sort the list according to the digits of the 1, 0, second place, 10th place, means 2 digits. Now here, so second digit you can compare 2, 0, 0, 0, and 1. Now this 1 will be shifted at which location? So here. So this 0 will come first, or this 0 will come, this 0 will come at this side. After that 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, and 2, 4. Is it right? Sorry, in this place. Here you will. Is it right?
No, sir.
But here we are comparing two places. How this one is considered? Just one. Zeroth place. I think this is not in a sorted order. So how to consider this one?
803 in second number. 02.
Now in 10th place, so they have considered only first 2-digit numbers. They have compared the first, they have considered only the 2-digit numbers, right? 0, 1, 1-digit number, and after that 2-digit number, and after that 3-digit numbers. Now by considering the 3-digit number, 01 is less than the 03. So that's why 901 is considered a first. Hello.
The numbers are in according to 10th place, no sir. It doesn't matter the 3 number or 2 number.
Now already this 2 is a single number. Right, 2 is a single number.
We are considering according to 10th place, no?
Right. But this 2 number is already in the sorted list. So it is a smaller one. Now we'll consider for 02. Now after that, so this 10 and here, so these are the 2 digits number and these are the 3 digits numbers, right? So initially we are considering the 2 digits. Here, I think little bit, I think there is some problem in this place. Past 2, I think it is. Now, what you are expecting here? So what answer?
Hello?
Yes. Now you
Sir,
can.
I am expecting as list as 2, after that 803, after that 901, then 10, and then 102.
Right. We'll write. I think here the list is wrongly written. I will write here corrected. 02. After that
803,
803. So
901,
901
10,
10
and 1024.
1024.
Yes.
Now, how we can consider this 803 and 901?
So there's according to 10th place.
But sir,
I-
here
I have not considered whether it is 3-digit or 2-digit number. I have considered only the 10th place of the number.
Okay. So we'll go through as per this logic, right?
But
Now
sir,
next.
here units place sequence is disturbed, na?
Right. Already we have sorted. So by considering the 0th place.
Then how we can give to 803?
This is already sorted, right? This is already sorted by considering the 0th place. So we'll not change the 0th place difference. He already had 0th place ni 0th place la आपण short out केलेले. म्हणजे हे sorted आहे. मग ह्याच्यामध्ये या प्लेसला डिस्टर्ब न करता 10th प्लेसला कन्सिडर करून कोणाला चेंज करू शकतोय 10th प्लेसला कन्सिडर करून हे सगळे ऍज इट इज राहतील.
One list is right, sir.
So this one is right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are not disturbing to the 0th place. 0th place already we have sorted. Now we'll sort the 10th place. Right. Now in case of 10th place, so 2 is a smaller. So here at 10th place there is a no any value for the 2. So that's why 2 is shifted at the left side. Now after that we'll consider the 100th place. Right. 100th place. Digit at the 100th place. Now by considering these digits of the 100th place, so here is the 9 and so this will be shifted. Right. 0 to 4 will be shifted here. Right. By considering the 100 because this is the 8 and 9 and this is the 0 to 4. Right. Now by considering the 1000 place, so 02 will remain as it is. Now 803 will come here And 1901 will come at this place, and this one will be at last. Right? So the list is generated in the fourth step only. So arranged from the left. So this is about the numbers. Now the same logic we will apply for the alphabets also. Now you will get so many examples. So if you go through the internet, so examples of the radix sort. So now this is called as a radix sort. Now all of you understood the radix sort.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now today, how many algorithms we discussed?
Four.
Four algorithms. So which one? So four algorithms.
Quick shot, keep shot, and radix shot.
Sail short. Right after that,
Quick shot.
Quick.
Quick
keep short.
Quick shot.
Quick short. Sequence doesn't matter.
Radix.
Radix. Sail short, hip short, quick short, radix short. Now in a sorting algorithm, so total how many sorting algorithms we discussed?
Total 8.
We'll list out here. So first is the bubble short. Second one is the
Insertion.
insertion short. Third one is the
Select.
selection short. After that, next one is the
Merge.
merge. Now, all of you understood these all 8 algorithms of sorting.
Yes, sir.
Is there any questions related with any algorithm? So you can ask.